This video is to teach you the front post treble crochet. Make sure that you watch the front post double crochet video first, and this will make a lot of sense. So we've already done our initial row, whether that's single, half double, or double crochet, or treble crochet, whatever it is. At this point, we want to yarn over and chain one. You can chain two if you would like, and then turn. To make the first treble crochet stitch, front post treble crochet stitch, I'm going to yarn over once and then yarn over twice. That's the difference between front post double crochet and front post treble crochet. You yarn over twice instead of once. So we've done that, and then we're going to go from front to back and then around and back to front. Yarn over again, pull through, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, and then yarn over and pull through two. So this stitch is, taller or longer than the front post double crochet. Now, the next stitch we're going to work around is this one. We're going to yarn over once, yarn over twice, insert the hook from front to back around the stitch, and then from back to front. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. Now we've got two front post treble crochet stitches. We just yarned over twice, go from front to back, then back to front, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. And there you go. And just continue till you finish your row.